English Spell Smart 2. Avoid learning spellings and wrong pronunciation. Spell and write with phonetic system from kindergarten onwards. Book starts with the words of manners. Capital letters and their sounds were introduced in Spell Smart 1. Spell Smart 2 starts with capital and small letters tracing with their phonetic sounds. After 4 pages, how to write ABCD from the letter C. Easy writing technique. Matching capital letters with small letters. Matching the letters with their beginning sounds. Like this, all 26 letters are covered. Then again tracing of 5 or 6 letters in one page. Word apple circling with A, bat with B. Till Z, sounds matching is given. Writing missing letters among lines. Capital letters and small letters are matched again. Vowels with their short sounds. A sound starting with A sound starting with E sound starting with I, A sound starting with O, A sound starting with U. Again, coloring vowels is given. Vowel sounds. A for A for E for I, A for O, A for U. Is shown. Blanks are given to write and spell the letters, their sounds. Asked to circle the vowels. Vowels filling by their sounds. Look, elephant starting with sound A, writing with letter E. Lip, E sound, filling with I, A sound with U. Pot, A sound with O. Bag, A sound with A. Coloring vowels and consonants. Writing small letters to capitals again. Double consonant words like bell, kill are given. Child starts to write the spelling run, run, or A for U, N for N, N. Like this, students can create spellings by listening their sounds. Even the long words like doctor, doctor, D-A-K, T-A-R, doctor. Like spelling also, they can easily write now. Why? C sounds K with cat, S with cinema, has shown in a simple form. Cattle, apple. Apple spelling should be A-P-I-L. Why is this A-P-P-L-E? Two-letter separate sounds. Trr, frr, krr, called blends. Rhymes meaningfully explained in detail. In all examinations like 10th, 12th, state competitive exams, central competitive exams, comprehension passage appears for about 20% of marks. For that, base is started from here only. Look at the small comprehension and the questions given. Every page is explained with simple English in videotic form. Each page contains QR codes to watch on TV, tab, or even on cell phone. Enjoy the book.